It's blinking now, it's going. Hi, I'm Phyllis Selipek.
And I'm Amrit Kajla.
And we're from the School of Nursing, and we are doing our report out for week 1 of the Academy e-learning. Today is June 6th, 2012. I wish it was 19 something. We have several questions that we were asked to address, so let's look at those. So the first question is, how are you thinking about GE pathway courses, and how does your course fit into the theme?
Well, my course that I'm looking at is the Gender and Sexuality Studies, and it's with a healthcare perspective, so that's what I'm looking at.
Okay, and I'm not in one of the pathways. I'm just redoing a course for in physical assessment. The course is N285, and it's a physical assessment course for first semester nursing students, and it's currently a theory course that I'm redesigning into a hybrid course so that students have more participation. So what do you think you will do with the student participation in your course?
I think, well, my course is it's a writing intensive course, and so I'm going to be using there's so many options that are being presented here because I'm a beginner at all this technology, and so I'd like to incorporate YouTube videos and maybe download some videos for the course and have a lot of discussion, have writing components, and maybe use Google Docs or some other options that I'll learn about in the next few weeks. So I'm very excited.
And for 285, it's currently 40 students in a class for physical assessment, and it's totally a theory class. And for years, the students have wanted to have a hands-on skills lab. So I'm hoping with my 1 more unit, so it'll now be a 3-unit class, that I'll have the ability to split the students into groups of 20 and have a skills lab along with the in-class case studies and mind mapping that we've already do, and then a web-based component. So that'll be some of the changes I'm looking to make in the course.
What's our next question?
Okay, our next question is, this is the good one. How has your new iPad influenced your workflow and mobile resources?
Well, for me, I've only had the iPad for 2 days. 2 days, 3 days, and I love it. It's quick, it's mobile, it's awesome. And I hope to take a course and learn how to use it more than I am, so I'm very excited.
And I'm excited to learn more about the iPad and how I can incorporate it with students. And I've already got some ideas from just the couple days that we've spent together. This is so hard to do. I don't know how everybody else was feeling about this. So it's good perspective for students, because I would like to use the iPad and do some video recording of students, so for peer assessments, because they're doing hands-on skill assessments, communication techniques. So this is a really good way for students to look at how they're doing with that. And also, I can just take this everywhere I go. I have it with me now with my questions on it. I have my email with me, and it's small, it's handy. You don't have to carry that, even
really
that
nice
laptop around. So
really
we love
nice.
our iPad.
That's nice.
And so we have one more question.
One more question.
Okay. As of this week, what are your goals for the redesign course, and what do you hope to add or change?
Well, for me, I'm taking a course and pretty much starting from scratch, so the timing of this academy is perfect, so I'll be able to see all the options, and I will kind of start a framework and build on it as time goes. So I'm very excited.
So you're building from the ground up.
I am building from the ground up, and this class that we're taking with you guys is allowing me to see all the possibilities. So there's things that are going on here that I'm putting in the back of my head. So.
Yeah, lots of stuff in the head.
Yes.
You gotta try to get it back out. And I'm kind of doing the opposite. I'm taking a course that's already there, and I'm hoping to deconstruct it a bit, tear it apart, and put it back together with, yay, more units, a hands-on skills lab, and more web-based material out there for the students to learn.